Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the Delete Invoiced Purchase Orders feature within Business Central. All right, let's get into it. So, when a purchase invoice is fully invoiced from a PO, right, Business Central actually removes the purchase order from the purchase orders list and then it pulls it onto the purchase order archive, right? However, when the purchase invoices are not invoiced directly from the PO, but you actually use get receipt lines on the purchase invoice page to post the invoice, then BC does not remove the purchase order from the purchase orders list. And that actually leaves your purchase orders list page untidy. So you're going to have a lot of purchase orders that you have received and invoiced fully, but they have not been completely, removed from the page, right? So what you can then do is use the delete invoiced purchase orders feature to clean up the purchase orders list. Okay, so I'm going to show you in Business Central how you can do that. First, you go into your purchase orders in Business Central, go into the list page. Right now, you can just look for the purchase orders that have been fully invoiced. Okay, so I know these three purchase orders have been fully invoiced, right? But they are still here. So how do I know? If you go into it, right, and then you check the lines, you can see that the quantity received is 3 and the quantity invoiced is 3. So ideally, if I posted this purchase order, if I posted this, posted a purchase invoice directly from the purchase order, it would have been gone from, the PO's list. So what I'll then do now is I can go to actions, functions, delete invoiced, orders, right? And then I can put in the PO number here that I want to get rid of, or I can completely leave it blank and then just click OK. And the system will, delete any PO that is actually ready to be deleted. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK. So now the system is running through my POs list and it's actually deleting stuff, right? So now if I just sort my page in a descending order, you can see that the three POs that I had, the PO 16082, 83, and 84, they are all gone, right? So then if I go into purchase order archive, I'll be able to see the different versions of those POs there. Okay, so I'm just going to put in the purchase orders that I want so you can see them here. So let's start with this one. So you can see it here, right? And it has been archived. And if we go to the next one, you can see it here as well. And then the next one, you can see it here as well. So this is one of the ways that you can archive and remove purchase orders that have been fully invoiced from your purchase orders list. Okay. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions regarding this video, let us know in the comments below. Share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.